Hello everyone, welcome back to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm so excited to have you here today as we dive into some beautiful holiday decor ideas to make your home festive and cozy. Whether you're decorating for Christmas, New Year, or any holiday season, you'll find plenty of creative tips to try. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more inspiring decor ideas. And please share this video with your friends and family so they can also get ready to celebrate in style. Let's get started. With the holiday season approaching, it's the perfect time to start thinking about decorating your home to create a festive and warm atmosphere. Today, I'll be sharing some creative and easy holiday decor ideas that you can try at home. Whether you're decorating your living room, entryway, or dining table, these ideas will help you add that special holiday touch. So grab your supplies, and let's get started on transforming your space into a winter wonderland. Moving on to your front door, which is the first thing guests see when they arrive. Make a stunning holiday wreath using fresh or faux greenery, berries, pine cones, and ribbons. Personalize it with a decorative bow or a small sign with a holiday message. Hang the wreath on your door to instantly greet visitors with holiday cheer. You can also add a small lantern or a basket of faux snow-covered pine cones at the doorstep for extra warmth and charm. This welcoming touch will set the tone for a festive holiday season. Next, let's decorate your mantel or shelf with a festive garland. Use faux greenery, fairy lights, and holiday-themed ornaments to craft a charming display. Drape the garland along the mantel, intertwining fairy lights for a cozy glow. Add some decorative figurines like reindeer, Santa, or snowflakes to enhance the theme. You can also hang small ornaments or stockings from the garland for extra charm. This quick DIY decor will instantly bring holiday cheer to your living space and set the perfect mood for the season. Now, let's talk about decorating your windows and walls. Create a beautiful hanging display using a combination of wreaths, hanging ornaments, and ribbons. You can also make a DIY snowflake or star mobile using paper or felt. Hang it near your window or on a blank wall to add a whimsical touch. Incorporate string lights or fairy lights to make the decor sparkle at night. This idea is perfect for adding a festive vibe without taking up much space and can be customized to match your personal style. Thank you so much for watching today's holiday decor ideas. I hope these tips inspire you to create a beautiful and festive environment for your home. Remember, holiday decorating is all about creativity and making your space feel warm and welcoming for your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub for more ideas, and share this video with your friends. Wishing you a joyful and decorated holiday season. See you in the next video.